What's popping, you guys? Welcome back to Photogenie YouTube channel. Yes, I know you're asking, who is she? My name is V in Progress. I'm a YouTuber, like content creator. I'm a professional makeup artist, among many other things. And I'm so excited and so honored to be introducing a new segment on the Photogenie YouTube channel, which is drum rolls, beauty and fashion. In this segment, expect a lot of beauty content and a lot of fashion. We're gonna be doing like the DIY and how to style and all these things, including lifestyle, because that's what I'm about. And I can't wait for you guys to learn, because as they say at Photogenie, they're about like they educate, entertain and inspire. And I hope through this you're gonna get educated and you're gonna get entertained and as well get inspired. Yes, on today's episode we're gonna start up with eyebrows, because as we all know, eyebrows are the most important steps when it comes to makeup, and we're gonna be doing step by step on how to achieve from this to this type of eyebrows. And if this is something you're into, please keep on watching. But before you go, please subscribe down below. Yes, let's dive in. To start with, I'm gonna take in my spoolie and you're gonna comb up your eyebrows like so. So we're gonna take in our razor. For eyebrows, you don't want to trim all your eyebrows. I know those what work a thin line, but you don't want to do that, because our brows should guide us on how to even draw and do them with a pencil. So I'm just gonna remove the extra hairs under my eyebrows, and especially at the brow bone area. You can tell from this and this, you can see the difference. And so next, we're gonna just comb the brows down with our spoolie, so that again we can groom the upper part. And so I'm gonna take back my razor, and for here I'm just going above my eyebrows, because remember you guys, they're also facial hairs. Our faces basically have some hairs, so you just want to kind of clean up that part as well without going in your eyebrows. You can just comb them down again, and then you're able to see the length. And then now, using the scissors, very tiny scissors, you just cut off the excess length. And this helps a lot. It will help you when you're now using the pencil, so that you don't have hairs going outside the pencil lines. It has kind of cleared, and I hope you guys can see the difference. The done brow, the non-done brow. Boom, we are done with this other eye, guys, and I already filled in with the eye pencil as well. So I'm gonna just show you step by step on how to achieve this on this other eye. We're gonna use our spoolie to just comb our hairs up. You can clearly see where your eyebrows start. Make sure your pencil is very sharp, and I'm using Davis pencil in the shade number 3. So using our pencil, which I'm holding at the edge, I'm gonna come here, and my pinky finger is my support system. So you start off penye tu brows zako zimeanzia. You see, I'm not just going one key line, I'm taking my time. I'm going like one stroke at a time, following my normal eyebrow shape. And then here ndipo iko na arc. So where the arc is, again the same direction with my eyebrow, and then you kind of wing it out. Haifai kupita penye mwisho wa your eye is. So you don't want your eyebrows going all the way huku chini. You want it where your eye ends, that's where your eyebrows ends. Hi, so once you do that step, you comb again your hairs, and then you just swipe them down like that with your spoolie brush. Again, the same thing, the upper line. So small strokes again. And then ikifika hapa, you go down and join the two lines. The next thing is shading. You want to shade your eyebrows using your pencil. So you're just gonna like kind of fill it in. Just small strokes with the same direction with your hairs of the eyebrows. So when you get here, the front part, you just want to shade it very lightly, because you want it to have that like a natural effect. We don't want a block. Use the spoolie to like remove the extra pencil color and also like make your eyebrows less harsh. So we're gonna just comb up in the upwards motion like this. We'll go to the cleaning of the eyebrows, because as you can see, this is a bit thicker than this. So the cleaning with the concealer, it just kind of helps them become sisters. They can be twins, but your eyebrows can definitely be sisters. We're using the LA Girl Concealer, Pro Concealer, in the shade Cool Tan. And so again, we're gonna use our spoolie brush, now the angled brush side. You put enough on your spoolie, and then you first gonna blend it here, not so close to the eyebrow. You kind of remove the excess. And so the same way we did with the eyebrow pencil, that's what we're gonna do, small strokes. And again, you want to kind of just blend it out on the eyelid so that you don't have a lot of product. And then remember, it's supposed to be thin, so you kind of again wing out the outer part of the eyebrow. And then using a beauty blender, we're gonna just blend out that part. On the upper part of the eyebrows, we're gonna use our foundation shade. In this case, I'm using Zaron FZ25. And again, using an angled brush, I'm gonna do the same thing on the upper part. And then I'm just gonna use the excess product to kind of just even out the outer part, and then also the front part, just so that like we don't have, you don't want that white cast thingy over here on your eyebrows. So you just want to make sure everything is well blended. And then the excess foundation, you just blend it into your skin. And there you have our cleaned eyebrow and then uncleaned eyebrow. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up this real quick and then be back with the final product on the both eyes. Boom. Yeah guys, so this is how our eyebrows are looking. I hope you guys really loved this. Please, if you have any question, if there's somewhere Sija explain as you guys would have expected, please leave it on the comment section. Above everything, they said life is not perfect, but as we can see right now, your eyebrows can be perfect. If this is something you're into, makeup, please stay tuned and check the next episode on next week on Wednesday. Yeah, so new videos on beauty and fashion will be going up on Wednesdays, and yeah, I hope to see you guys next week. My god, I'm just talking and talking and talking because I'm excited. Yeah, but I really hope you enjoyed. Please, if you did, check me out also, V in Progress on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel as well. Till next week, bye bye. Mwah.